This video provides a guide for how to redeem a printed Guusto gift. Your printed gift displays your name, message, gift code, and amount. Locate the gift code on your gift and enter the URL into any web browser to claim it. You may add your gift to an existing Guusto account or create a new account for free. Navigate to the Redeem Gifts tab, locate your gift, and click to redeem with a merchant. On this page, enter the amount you wish to redeem. You may choose smaller amounts to split your gift amongst multiple merchants or redeem the full amount. Next, select a merchant you'd like to redeem. Please note that once you confirm a merchant, you cannot reverse this action. Lastly, click here to view your gift. You may download a PDF or save a photo of this gift to claim your reward. The Guusto platform allows you to combine unredeemed gifts so you can claim something larger. Click on Combine Gifts at the top of the page and select all of the gifts you'd like to combine. If you have any questions, please contact us by clicking on the chat button in the bottom right corner of the screen when you're logged in. Our customer success team is happy to help you with any questions you have along the way. Mucho gusto!